Hello guys, welcome to part 4 of our series. So now we are going to use this to our inventory. So here the inventory, change, yeah. And then we want to go to the, sorry. Let's edit this first. So welcome panel, yeah, check. Okay. We need the main panel to be true, welcome panel to be false. Now we want the inventory to be true, the cashiers to be false, and the statistics to be false as well, or so. Now we want to copy this and paste it in the other three. Okay, and we are going to edit, just going to be true here, so the cashiers will be true, and then the false one will be the inventory. Now the statistics will be true, or sorry, or yeah, so there is an error here. This one is the inventory and this one is the statistics. It's not changing. Okay, it's not changing. Statistics. Button 1, button 2. Okay, so the error is here. Inventory button 1. So it's not supposed to be this. It's going to be inventory. Okay, so I can change it. Oh, okay. Oh, so. Okay. Now it's changed. So here is the statistics. So this one is the inventory. So change it here. Okay, like that. So if you run the program, it will show us the buttons and we can choose where panel we are going to go. So for instance, we go to the cashier. Okay, different, wrong panel. Wrong panel. It's gonna be true. Okay, so this is the cashiers and its name is wrong. This one is the statistics, and this one will have to be the inventory. Okay, now let's run it again and check it if it's good. Statistics, yeah. Again. Cashiers, and the other one is going to be the inventory. Now we want to add a back button. Okay, we want to go back if we want to go back. Okay, so here at this tree we are going to put something like a back button or something like that. Let's design this first. So here I am going to make this 800 and I'm going to put a button here. It says back. Okay, so now I want to add it on the other three as well. So let's copy this. And add it again. So 809. I don't know if that's now this back button will have its own method. So let's add an event to this. One. Okay. And other one. Okay. So when we add that, we have to go back. So welcome panel will be the true, main panel will be the false. Now it doesn't matter which inner panel is true here, doesn't matter, it's going to be invisible ultimately, so it doesn't matter. But we have just two buttons here, we need to add another one button, and I guess this is the one that is missing. Add it here, change. Okay, so statistics, back, cashiers, back, inventory, back. Okay, but then it's not correct here, so let's just edit it here. So okay, so in the cashiers, okay, and the inventory, $101. Okay, the statistics, let's make it default. Okay, so let's try it again. So yeah, it's good. So let's put things to our inventory right now. Let's put things in codes.